Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data analytics. This powerful field transforms raw information into actionable insights, helping individuals and businesses make much more informed choices every single day. We will explore the fundamental steps, from gathering your information to interpreting the results. Understanding data analytics is a skill that empowers you to identify patterns, solve complex problems, and drive significant improvements in various aspects. Get ready to unlock the true potential hidden within your data. The first crucial step is collecting and preparing your information. You need to identify reliable sources that provide the specific details you are looking for. Once gathered, thorough data cleaning is absolutely vital to remove any inconsistencies, missing values, or duplicate entries that could skew your results. Think of it like organizing a massive library where every book needs its proper place. This foundational work ensures your analysis will be based on accurate and dependable numbers. With your data prepared, it is time to explore various analysis techniques. You might begin with descriptive analytics to summarize historical information, identifying past trends and key performance indicators. For example, monthly sales increasing by 10% over 6 months. Then, diagnostic analytics helps you understand the why behind those trends. Predictive analytics uses statistical models to forecast future events, offering insights into what might happen next. Each method provides a different lens through which to view your information. The final and perhaps most impactful step is interpreting your findings and turning them into actionable strategies. Clearly communicate your insights, perhaps using simple visual aids like a bar graph showing customer satisfaction scores from 1 to 10. What does your data suggest needs to change? For instance, if 25% of customers are unhappy with delivery times, you need a plan to improve logistics. By implementing data-driven decisions and continuously monitoring their impact, you can ensure ongoing improvement and sustained success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.